All right, it's Wednesday. We're going to start with our rhyme production. I'll say the words. If they rhyme, give me a thumbs up. If they don't, oh, actually, this is the one where I'll say the words, you repeat them, and then you come up with some words that rhyme, okay? Right, quite. Maybe you said something like fight, light, sight, might. There's lots that rhyme with that one. Okay, shy, fly. Okay, you could have said my, try, lie, tie. Lots for that one too. Thing, ring. You might have said sing, bring, ding. So there's a couple. Last one, take, make. Maybe you said shake, bake, cake, lake. Lots for that one too. You could have said something else. That's okay also. Okay, onset fluency. I'm going to say the words. You repeat the words. Give me a thumbs up if they begin with the same sound. Thumbs down if they begin with different sounds. Hive, job. No, don't begin the same. Ed, edge. Yep, they both begin with eh. Kept, next. Thumbs down. Love, lot. They both begin with O. Attic, apple. They both begin with ah. Good job. Okay, I'm going to say the sounds and blend them together, and then you're going to say the sounds and blend them together. It's like copying. T, I, N, tin. Your turn. D, I, G, dig. S, I, P, sip. R, I, M, rim. H, I, P, hip. Okay, great job. We'll isolate the medial sound, the middle sound. H, at. A, w, n, e, s, it, I, g, ought, a, h, ut, a. Get your choppers out. I will say it and chop it, and then you say it and chop it. Okay? Hug, h, g. Fun, f, n. Cut, duck, hut, h, t. Okay, good job. Now I'm going to add a sound to the beginning and blend it. When I go like this, you tell me what the word is, okay? We have ought. Add h to the beginning to make hot. We have ox. Add f to the beginning to make fox. We have op. Add to the beginning to make mop. We have ought. Add n to the beginning to make not. We have add p to the beginning to make palm. Good. Now I'm going to delete. I'm going to take that beginning sound away. We have the word tug without t. What's left? Ugh. We have the word cup without k. What's left? Up. We have the word hug without h. What's left? Ugh. We have the word fun without f. What's left? Un. We have the word nut without n. What's left? Ut. Okay, last part, substituting. We have the word jam, change j to h. And what's the word? Ham. We have the word ham, change h to and what's the word? Ram. We have the word ram, change to s, and what's the word? Sam. We have the word Sam, change s to p, and what's the word? Pam. We have the word Pam, change p to j, and what's the word? Jam. Good job. And today our nursery rhyme is Hickory Dickory Dock. Repeat after me. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Good job today.